Hello, Toyin here from ChargeAutomation. I'm super excited to guide you through a quick demo. Today, I'll showcase the simplicity of our setup process and highlight key features designed to elevate your short-term rental operations while ensuring a seamless experience for your guests. Hotels and vacation rentals use ChargeAutomation's guest experience software for amazing features. To name a few, our contactless check-in, which entails collecting guest details and documents, collecting selfie, signing rental agreements, and anything else you require from your guests using custom questions. Payment automation, this is to collect initial reservation deposit or balance, city tax, or tourist tax. Charge automation also gives you the ability to authorize security deposits. With our payment automation feature, we offer true chargeback fraud protection. We give you the ability to create customized upsells such as early check-in, late checkout, parking, and anything else that can be tailored to your property and availability. And with Charge Automation, you get to create stunning digital guidebooks. Now here's a preview of the guest experience. After a reservation is made, a personalized link is created and automatically sent to your guest in an email or SMS or also through your PMS. This is an example of the email. An amazing feature the property managers love is Charge Automation can send the email in the guest's preferred language. Charge Automation currently supports over 30 plus languages, so whatever language is preferred by your guest, we have you covered. In this email, your guests will see your company or property branding based on your preferences and a fully customizable welcome message from you as their host. Once they click and complete your pre-check-in, your guest is redirected to a web page, which means there are no additional applications for your guests to download, and this begins the pre-check-in process. The welcome page gives your guests a quick overview of their reservation, which includes the guest name, the booking dates, and the price, which is the reservation amount. By clicking on Start Pre-Check-In, the guest is taken to the basic info section. This is completely customizable and the whole step can be enabled or disabled based on your preferences. Here, your guest Lisa, in this example, can update her details which we pull from the PMS. One very cool feature in Charge Automation is that it is smart enough to detect alias emails and ensure your guests enter the correct emails before they can proceed. As you can see, the phone number, the guest count, which as I mentioned before, all comes from the PMS. By clicking on Save and Continue, they're taken to the next step. In this step, Payment Summary, for reservations where you collect the payments directly from the guest, Lisa in this case will see she has already paid an initial deposit and the balance is due on July 20th and scheduled for July 20th. Also, it shows Lisa when the security deposit will be authorized, which is 1 day before check-in. By clicking on the info icon, Lisa gets more details about the security deposits. It says, to confirm your reservation, refundable security deposit of $300 is required. A temporary hold of $300 will be placed in your card on July 4th. This is not a charge and should disappear from your bank statement after checkout. This info icon answers a lot of questions about security deposit to your guest. If let's say the second payment fails, Lisa will be notified and she can come back to update the payment method. Lisa can edit the card on file or add a new card, submit with so much ease. By clicking on Save and Continue, Lisa goes to the next step, which is additional info. As a property manager, sometimes you want to collect some additional information from your guest. Charge Automation gives you the ability with custom questions. You can ask any questions you want from your guest. This is completely customizable and can be enabled or disabled based on the booking source or even property. Save and continue. Now Lisa has been asked to upload a photo ID. This is also a customizable option for hosts and can also be enabled or disabled even based on the booking source. Lisa clicks on upload, takes a picture, submit and continue, and the same thing goes for a selfie. Lisa can take a selfie, and again, this is fully customizable and can be enabled or disabled. Submit and continue. The next page is a huge revenue booster for hosts, upsells. As you can see, Lisa has been offered some upsells to elevate her stay. This is also fully customizable based on individual properties, the booking source, the availability, and even based on property grouping. In this scenario, Lisa is being offered airport pickup, which is optional, early check-in, which is by request, and means that Lisa can order it, but you as a host have full control to accept or reject that request. Lisa also gets to see tourism tax, which is a mandatory upsell. And what this simply means is the guest will have to purchase this to get access to their access code and check-in instructions in the guest portal. This is also fully customizable by booking source, and you as a host can choose when to collect it. Now, with card on file from previous steps, this gives the guest an Amazon-like checkout experience to click on one or more upsells and purchase instantly. Continue. The last page is the booking summary, where guests can see all details they have provided, which is the basic info, arrival info, the documents they uploaded, the add-on services they purchased. Now, they can proceed to digitally sign and also accept your terms and agreement or your rental agreement. By clicking on complete pre-check-in, the same link that was used to complete the pre-check-in becomes the guest portal link. This is the portal where your guests get check-in instructions, can purchase upsell, and see all information related to their reservation. For example, how do I get to the property? By clicking on Get In Here, they get to see the address and directions to get to the rental. Something amazing about ChargeAutomation is we have visibility control. This gives full control to the host on when to show the information to the guest. For example, the door code. This information will be available 6 hours before check-in and all requirements are met. The Wi-Fi. This information will be available 1 day before check-in and all requirements are met. The requirements can be reservation is fully paid, security deposit is authorized, and the documents uploaded is fully approved. This is how we have streamlined the guest journey, where everything a guest needs is a single link, from pre-check-in to check-in instructions to upselling to payments. For example, the upsell can be purchased by the guest at any point during the stay based on your preference and based on when you make it available as a host. One of our motto is one link, one journey, happy guest. Thank you so much for watching this video.